All right, welcome back, guys. And this video, I'm going to be explaining all these tools one after the other. Okay, one after the other. If you want to rearrange your tools, you can just click and drag just the way I'm doing it right now. Okay, now this one is called Search SketchUp. Find active tools by searching. Maybe you are looking for line, just want to look for line. Okay, can use it to search, and this is line. I don't think you need that once you know the shortcuts for it. All right, this is pick tool. Okay, select tools. Okay, this is the same thing we have here, but I'm going to be using the one up here. If there's anyone that is not here, I'll use the one at the left hand side here. Okay, now there are three ways, like I explained earlier. You can see thieves under it here at the bottom screen. At the bottom of the screen, see. So if I want to select, I'll just click and select. I've select face. Now if I want, this only face is what I've select. If I want to select this edge along with it, I can press down Control and be clicking it one after the other to select the edge. All right, that is waste of time. Now what you can do is that you can double click it to select the face and the edges at the same time. Select the face and the edge at the same time. Okay, now if I want to select everything, I can just click and be select, press Control down to be plusing, and I find it very difficult to do and wasting of time. So what you can do is that, remember, first one is double click to select the face and the edge. Before to select everything, you can triple click, then it will select it at the same time. And as well, you can window from left to right like this. Note that this man standing here, it didn't fall into that box that I drew. Okay, so that means that it's not going to select it. So once I leave it, the man didn't fall inside. That means it won't select it. So if I want to select everything, I'll make sure the man fall inside. And everything that fall inside of these from left to right, it will select. But if I window from right like this to left, it doesn't necessarily need to fall into it. Anything that touches the line, it will select it. You can see it only touches it like this and it selected it. So if I make this group now, I double click and make a group. So if you can just click here, I will select like this, then it will select the two. So that is that about select. And you can as well use lasso to window like this to select whatever you want to select. Okay, then we have the shortcut for select is spacebar. Okay, the spacebar on your keyboard. Then we have cleaner, which is eraser. So if I click, all is as simple as that. Just select it, and it will click whatever you want to erase. Okay, that's the shortcut for that. You can set it later if you want. You can come here, can come to model info. Then I think shortcut, I think it's under preference. Let me see. Under preference. Okay, you can come here and set shortcut. You can select eraser. Okay, you can come here, search what you want to set. You can say eraser. Okay, to eraser, and assign shortcut for it is already E. So you can use E to select eraser. Just press E and it will take you to eraser. Then line, you can select line. Okay, and the shortcut for line is L. Okay, shortcut for line is L. Then you can draw a rectangle. As you can see, the way I'm drawing it is as if it's snapping to it. It's showing me, is it here I want to draw it. You can as well type underneath here. Maybe you have a line of 1,5 that you wanted to draw. Just type it. Then type this red axis as well. Type 1,5. Again, type, you can snap it to this, okay, or you just type in 15. All right, sorry, that's not 15, and type 1. So uh, now I want it to snap on a green axis, but it's going down. That's not what I want. So I can press my left arrow key, then it will come to snap to it. Okay, so with this now I've made a face. Okay, I can just push it up, and at the center I can use line to draw another face here. Yeah, I just use it to select this, then I can push this. I can push this in like this. I can do like this, do whatever I want to do with line. Then we have an arc. So we have three types of arc here. We have a 2-point arc. We'll be making use of 2-point arc mainly, and we have 3-point arc. We have pi. Okay, but we'll be talking about 2-point arc. For example, now if I want to draw an arc just like a mosque arc or church arc on the window, I'll just select the two space, then I have draw the arc like that. Okay, now if I want it up, I can just click and drag it. Sorry, I'll click here, click here, I'll click this place. So I'm using box, so arc. I use arc, now drag it up. I can press arrow up, so that it will snap to the navigation. Okay, then I'll push it in or out, however I want to do it. Okay, all right, then we have a rectangular shape. Okay, the rectangular shape. The rectangular shape, a shortcut for rectangular shape is R. Okay, you can click R, then you can draw your desired rectangular shape. So if you look down here, okay, let's say I want to draw 10,000, or let me say 10,000, then comma another 10,000. That's a perfect square that I want to draw. But if I want to draw a rectangle, okay, I'll make one side bigger than the other. Let me just say I want to draw 5,000 comma by 8,000. Okay, then I press it. You can see that this side is shorter to this side. Okay, then we have push pull. All right, we have push pull. The shortcut for push pull is push pull that I've been using to extrude all this one. Okay, and the shortcut for that is P. Just press P, take it to the face you want to extrude. You can push it front, you can push it side, and on like that. Just take it to where you want to extrude it. Okay, now another thing is that you can type in the desired, just click it once and move your mouse up and down. You will see that if I want to type it like 3,000, that's 3 meters, the height of a building, I'll just type it like that. Okay, so you can type in the desired length that you want. Okay, then we have offsets. Okay, let's say I want to offset this word. This is a word. I'll now say I want to, or you just click the edge, or just go make your offset tools to go close to the edge. By the way, before I forget, the shortcut for that is F. Just type F on your keyboard, select the edge, then let's type in 225, the width of our wall, then and let me push this inside. Now we have our wall. You can see that is what our offset is being used. Okay, then we have the move tool. Okay, we have the move tool. So I'm going to make this a group, and I'm going to scale it down. Okay, so for example, the shortcut for move tool is M. For example, I want to move this to here. You can move from left, right, up, down, anywhere you want to move at a specific distance. Just click it and type the distance in which you want to move it. That's all. If I want to move up, okay, I'll just click the arrow up. If I want to move right, I'll just if I want to move left, I'll just click the left arrow. You see it's snapping to red axis now in the next coming video I'm going to explain these three axes so that you can best understand it. Okay, then another advantage of tool is that you can use it to copy. Okay, this is how you use it to copy. Click and tap Control on your keyboard. You see it will copy. Okay, I can move, tap Control and copy. So if I want to copy at a distance, I will move, tap Control, and I will type my distance 4,000 and it will copy. And if I want to copy this in a multiple way, in a multiples, so what I will do is that since I have copied it once, before I click any other place, okay, what I will just do is type X on my keyboard. How many numbers do I want to copy? I'll say 5, then press enter. At that same specific distance, it will copy it multiple times, okay? To copy it multiple times. And at the same time, you can use these tools, these move tools as rotate. You can see there is 4 cross points on the face. If I put it here, there is 4 cross points here as well, okay? Now, if I want to rotate it, I'll just click any of it and I will rotate it like this. Okay, I will rotate it the way I want. If I come here, I can rotate it. Let me just type angle 45. You see, I've just rotated it. Okay, there's a tool for rotate as well. Okay, so after that, you come here. This is tools for rotate, and the shortcut for that is Q. Okay, just as move tools, you can as well use this to copy. Okay, I'll just select an angle and I'll rotate to any angle that I want. Okay, if I'm rotating to here, then as well I can use it to copy. I'll just click Control, then I can say times 6 as well, then it will make multiples just like that too. Then we have scale, and the shortcut for that is S. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long. The shortcut for that is S. Now I can select this. All these points, they have their own work. So if I click here, it means I want to take it up without affecting any other place. I only want to take it up. That's why I select the center one. So if I select this, I want to scale the whole body. It means it's growing bigger on a blue axis, on a y axis, and a red axis. Okay, I can type in a desired scale that I want. Okay, so once you reach wherever you want to, just click like this. Then you can scale like this. It will only affect this place alone, just like the front. Okay, if I come here, it will not grow up. It will only go to the right hand side and to the front. You can see that. Okay, so that's that about scale. Okay, now this tool is new in SketchUp 2025 now. So if I want to, for example, let me make this a group. Let me move it out here. Now I want to flip this. I will just, maybe I want to turn this face to this side. What I will just do is click flip. So it's asking me which, you can see, it's asking which area. Is it on a red axis or on a blue axis or on a green axis? So if I click green axis, you can see. If I click blue axis, it will face down. If I click red axis, you can see. All right, so that is that about flipping tools, just to mirror, just like you want to mirror. Then we have the tape. The shortcut for that is T. Okay, now you want to measure from here to here. You see, it's telling me 1.5, and this is just for measurement. Okay, then again, this is what you will use for guideline. Okay, you can see I want to, for example, I want to draw a guideline here, and I want another guideline which is 950. Maybe I want to bring out a door in this place, or let me say 300. Okay, I want a door here, and the height of the door, let me say 1.5. Okay, then I will activate this, and I'll draw a face like this. Then I can now bring out a door. That is what we use it for measurements and use it for guide. This is paint, and the shortcut for paint is B. Okay, the shortcut for paint is B. You can come here, select, then come here and select material. You can say glass. I'll just select this and I'll paint it glass. You can see that I have painted this one to glass, painted this face glass, I've painted up here glass. I can select any material. I can say plastic or stone, whatever. Let me select this stone. I paint it like this. So that is that about bucket. Then this is called orbit, and the shortcut for it is O. I use it to orbit like this. Okay, and if you press down your shift, it will turn to pan. Okay, can pan up and down, which is this. So I rarely use this. Once I activate this, I can use it simultaneously, orbit and pan, bring it down, bring it up, left and right, like that. Okay, then I want to show you how to zoom. So if I take my cursor to this plane vid and I'm zooming, it will take my drawing away, my modeling away. So for example, if I want to see this particular place, I will move my cursor close to it and I will zoom it. I will zoom it. Okay, that's how to zoom. All right, then we have a zoom window. You can draw a particular, just draw, move your click by left clicking on your mouse. You can zoom in and out. Click, left click, zoom and out. All right, then we have zoom extent. In a case where you're drawing, maybe you can't find it, or it has gone to another side and you are looking for it, all you just need to do is click zoom extent, then it will bring back your drawing. Okay, this is 3D warehouse shortcut. You have to be connected to internet. Like let me launch it. Let me see if it will open. I am connected to the internet now. You might ask me, okay, now, so you can search for anything. Let me search for sofa. Okay, let me search for sofa. That is chair. Different type of chairs. You can see it there. So you can make use of these components in your drawing. For example, if I want to render, I can just select this and render. Okay, you want to search for AC, you can search for AC. So remember, you need to create an account. Okay, all right. So that is that about the 3D warehouse. Then we have the tremble tools here. Okay, you can create your account here. Then this is called sections. You can create section. Okay, you can create section, and just to see and view. Okay, just to see and view. I don't know why my section is not launching. um okay, we'll look at that later. So then we have all this view, all this display. Okay, you have display in x-ray. Maybe you want to see inside of your model. Then we have display in just lines. Okay, edges alone. You want to see the edges of your model, all the edges, like this one that we have multiple copies here. Just want to see the edges. Then you just want to see the lines alone. Okay, this is wireframe. Okay, you have display in hidden lines. the hidden lines. Well, I'll put this off as well. Then we have display in shaded mode. So it will display and show the color of materials you have used. Then display shaded using texture. It will display and show the texture. Okay. That is that about that. Then display shaded using all the same. So everything will be in the same color, just like the way we start. So, all right. So that is it about all these tools. In the next video, I'm going to explain this axis, okay, the blue, the red, and the green axis, and I'm going to explain some of these tools which we don't have up here, okay. We have the follow me tools, we have we have explained this, then we have the position and all that as well.